And welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I have a small dining room area that is going to be given a fresh new look, or rather made up, because it was never decorated to begin with. We're going to start by painting a table that she chose for the area. We're going with a very neutral, natural, earthy color palette, and it's still going to feel very fresh and airy. I'm going to add a few pieces of wall art and wall decor to add some personality, which is hers, to her space. Add some new pieces. In these clips you see that I'm showing you is some different renderings that I gave her, some choices of what the dining room could look like based upon the color scheme that she wanted to go for. And so we'll go right into the video where you can see the makeover of the dining room table. And this is the same house of my friend who is my client, and we're going to continue to go on and do the different rooms in the home as I previously stated in other videos, and I will leave those links down below. This is where we're starting with the table. It's flipped upside down, and we're going to go ahead and paint it. And we're going to paint it this black color with the resin paint again from Rethunk Junk, and give it a beautiful glowy look for the dining room area. You'll need all your paint product normally do. We're going to clean it with some microfiber cloth or brushes, the roller here, and get started. I want to go ahead and give your piece a good cleaning, which is what she is doing. She is applying herself and learning the process, so when she wants to go back and do some of these projects, like maybe painting another piece of furniture and prep work and all that good stuff, she will know exactly what to do.
Do I need to clean the legs too?
Yes, ma'am. You have to clean the entire piece to make sure that you got good adherence of your paint, and that's whether you are priming or not.
Okay.
Look at that beautiful view, everyone. That sky is absolutely gorgeous. That's a beautiful color paint. If you want to take a screenshot. So she's just preparing her roller. And her little pan, which we don't need. We're going to use this one over here. Prep that you have to spray onto your piece first to get it ready. It's like a cleaner and prep. Get the rag. That's so smelly too, so back up.
What do you do?
Just spray it on there and wipe it clean. Like you wiped it with the white. Because that's what you're going to have to do your cabinets too. It's almost like a degreaser, deglosser. Just like you rolled the wall, except for its furniture. So just think smaller roller. Rollers on furniture is just going to give you a little bit more of a smoother finish.
Okay.
So you just get your roller ready. Now, sometimes we prime my brush by wetting it. Depends on what type of paint you're using to paint your object. That's how it's going to do, just like you was on the wall. Don't go over it either too many times, because you're going to pull the paint off with this kind of paint. So you just going to go ahead. But do not leave any lines. Just like on the wall, do not leave any roller lines. But don't go back over it. So this is her first time painting furniture. Okay, this is her first time painting furniture, and this is her dining room table. Go ahead. Got it. There you go. Down up. Down. Don't go back over it too many times, like I told you. Now you want to clean up that. Make sure there's no drip lines or anything, because you want to make sure there ain't no runs. So don't press too hard. You're gonna press, just lightly. And then you can also do this for the cracks. Now, you can do the cracks first if you want, and go like that first. and then come back with the roller, clean them up real good. Coming up, we're going to go do a little bit of shopping and pick up a few items for the dining area. I will be showing you a little display that I was showing her that we could use one of the bowls for, but we decided to use them for a whole different use, which you'll see in the video, as well as a credenza that we will be picking up as well. This is the credenza that was chosen for the area. Very large in size and has some height to it as well. Great for some extra storage in the immediate area. What we're going to do to create them to be like wall hangings. You take you some hooks like these I have here in the bowl. You can use whatever brand that they're using. We're going to use these hooks. We'll take these, source out the bag, and take them out of the package, and then we're going to apply them to the back. And I'm going to see first if I could drill them in. If not, then we're going to glue them down. So we took the mirror down, and instead of it laying on the horizontal, switched it long ways on the vertical, because we're going to add the wall pieces that I just showed you a few minutes ago along the sides of it to add more organic feel. Then we'll get ready for the final look, where I will be adding a few pieces into a beautiful vase that was picked up while we were out shopping in this tortoise shell print that is on the vase. It is glass. Along with that, a beautiful mirror that was made from a cable spool by me, as well as the table that we finished out with the painting that she was able to put her hands to. Adding some beautiful beads that are great to add some texture to your home decor. Wooden beads, and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Loving the natural wood grain, which definitely makes them very beautiful, and along with that, it gives her that rustic feel that she also likes. Once again, I want to reiterate, this is her style, her personality for her home, and so I decorate with that thought in mind for all of my clients. So as always, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one. Bye for now.